Hi everyone, I'm Justine, and this is my 15-112 term project for spring of 2016. So for my term project, I've made a game. Let's get it started. So here's the opening screen, and if you click the How to Play button, it takes you to an instruction screen. So basically, this is like any other platform game. You move around with the arrow keys, and you're trying to get the key, get to the exit level, avoid the zombies. Here's a level select screen. As you can see right now, only the first level is available, the other ones are locked. As you progress through the game and unlock various other levels, then if you return to the level select screen, you'll see that they've been unlocked as well. The levels are actually text-based, they're strings, and in my game there's a function that parses through the different levels and initializes the game objects based on the placement of the characters in the string. Get started with the first level. So as I mentioned before, you move the sprite with the arrow keys, sideways, jumping, etc. And I just pressed shift, which basically I wrote an algorithm that inverts the layout of the screen. So black becomes white, the player becomes white. You can now move around inside what used to be the ground of the level. And you need to do this in order to access areas of the level, for example, where the key is in this example. And the zombies will always be chasing you. They don't just move randomly, they actually follow the exposition of the player. Okay, so now I can cross the bridge to get to this area of the level. And now I'm basically finished. I just want to get to the exit door. And here's the second level. Again, you're just trying to reach the exit door and outrun the zombies. If they catch you, you die. And since this is a puzzle game as well as just a basic platformer, you actually have to think about how you want to shift in order to access the correct levels of the screen. For example, in this case, the zombie actually has followed me all the way over here, and I can't access the exit door without running into the zombie. So what I can do in this case, since the zombie just follows my exposition, he doesn't jump or anything, I can actually trap him. I can trap him, lead him off the edge of the bridge. So now he's down there, and he actually can't get back up to the upper levels. So since my player is faster, I can outrun him and get to the exit door. So here's the final level. It's a bit more challenging than the other ones. You'll see there's more spikes. And a couple other features. If I press pause, I have the option to either resume the level or go back to the start menu. Same for pressing L, it returns you to the level select menu. As you can see now, since I'm on the third level, they've all been unlocked and I can access any of them from here. And pressing back also returns me to where I was in the level. In this case, you see that the zombie has pretty much followed me all the way here, so I can escape, and I died. So this is the final level, so as soon as you complete this one, the exit door takes you to the game over screen. And from here you can return to the start menu. And again, if you go back to the level select, you'll see that they've all been unlocked. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.